Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win at go-kart racing. To start, focus on the racing line, which is the fastest path around the track. Smooth steering and precise braking are essential for maintaining speed through turns. Practice braking late and hard before corner entry, then smoothly apply throttle as you exit. This technique helps you carry maximum momentum and shave off valuable tenths of a second per lap. Let's dive deeper into cornering. For tight turns, an early apex allows you to get on the power sooner, straightening the exit. Conversely, a late apex is ideal before a long straight, maximizing your exit speed. Experiment with trail braking, gently releasing the brake as you turn in to help the kart rotate. Remember, smooth and consistent inputs are key to shaving off those crucial hundredths of a second. Overtaking and defending are vital skills. When passing, look for opportunities where your opponent makes a mistake, often on corner entry or exit. Be decisive and commit fully to your move. To defend, position your kart to cover the inside line, making it difficult for others to pass. Always be aware of the karts around you, using your mirrors and peripheral vision to anticipate moves. Finally, consider your kart setup and practice routine. Tire pressure significantly impacts grip. Typically, around 12 to 14 psi is a good starting point. Ensure your seat position allows for full control and comfort. Consistent practice is paramount. Aim for at least 30 minutes of track time regularly. Reviewing lap data, like sector times, helps pinpoint where you can gain an extra few tenths.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.